Welcome to Car Show 1, where every engine has a story, and every ride is a trip through time, power, and innovation. This channel is your garage of legends, where muscle meets memory, and chrome shines with pride. Whether it's iconic classics or tomorrow's tech on wheels, we take you inside the machines that defined their era. So hit that subscribe button, fuel your passion, and let's take a journey into one of the greatest muscle cars of all time. Today, we're firing up a machine that defined the golden era of American muscle, the 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. This wasn't just a car. It was a symbol of American power, performance, and pure street presence. In a time when automakers were in an all-out horsepower war, the 68 Chevelle SS didn't just show up, it came ready to fight. And more than 50 years later, it still commands respect on streets, at car shows, and in the hearts of gearheads everywhere. To understand the 1968 Chevelle SS, you have to start with what it meant to the American car scene. The Chevelle was Chevrolet's answer to the midsize muscle craze that exploded in the 1960s. Originally launched in 1964, the Chevelle line gave buyers a choice between economy, family use, and, when properly equipped, absolute power. By 1968, the Chevelle had fully embraced its performance identity, and the SS 396 model became a legend almost overnight. The 1968 model year marked a major redesign for the Chevelle. Gone were the boxy lines of the early 60s. In their place came a sleek, aggressive fastback shape with a long hood, short deck, and a curved rear window that made the car look fast even at a standstill. The fenders were more muscular, the grille was bold and wide, and the dual headlights gave it a serious attitude. The SS 396 came standard with special trim, SS badges, and a unique blacked-out grille. It sat lower and looked meaner than your average Chevelle, and that's exactly what buyers wanted. But what truly set the 1968 Chevelle SS apart was what lived under the hood. The 396 badge referred to the 396 cubic inch V8 engine, a big block beast that was available in several performance levels. The base version offered 325 horsepower, the mid-range option gave you 350 horsepower, and the top-tier L78 engine cranked out a pavement-ripping 375 horsepower. All of that power was sent to the rear wheels through a 3-speed manual, a 4-speed Muncie, or an optional turbo Hydra-Matic automatic transmission. Let's put that into perspective. In 1968, a Chevelle SS 396 with the L78 engine could run a quarter mile in the low 13-second range, straight from the factory. That's still fast by today's standards, and back then, it made the Chevelle SS a street king. You'd hear that engine coming from a block away, a deep, thunderous growl that let everyone know this wasn't a car to mess with. But the Chevelle SS wasn't just about raw speed. It was also built to handle. The 1968 model introduced a new, stiffer frame, improved suspension geometry, and optional F41 suspension upgrades that included heavy-duty springs, shocks, and a rear sway bar. That meant the SS could carve through corners far better than most muscle cars of the era, which were often built for straight-line performance only. Inside, the Chevelle SS was simple but focused. Bucket seats and a center console were available, and the dash featured large, clear gauges that gave you all the vital info you needed when pushing the car to its limits. A wood-rimmed steering wheel, chrome accents, and optional tachometer added to the performance feel. It wasn't luxurious, but it didn't need to be. This was a driver's car, built to race, cruise, or destroy anything next to it at a red light. One of the most popular body styles for the 1968 Chevelle SS was the two-door hardtop coupe, but Chevrolet also offered a convertible version for those who wanted to feel the wind while hearing that V8 roar. The car's wide stance, classic rally wheels, and dual exhaust tips completed the image of power in motion. The Chevelle SS wasn't just a car, it became a part of American culture. It starred in movies, dominated drag strips, and cruised down main streets across the country. It was a car that young drivers dreamed of owning and older drivers respected. It wasn't a toy, it was a weapon. Interestingly, 1968 was also the year Chevrolet began transitioning the SS 396 from a separate model into more of a performance package. This allowed buyers to equip other Chevelle body styles with SS performance parts, opening up the muscle experience to more people. But the true SS 396 models, especially those with the high-output L78 engine, are the ones that became legends. Another fun fact, 1968 was the first year the Chevelle came with side marker lights, thanks to new federal safety regulations. It was also the first time Chevrolet offered the Astro ventilation system, replacing vent windows with a fresh air system that improved airflow in the cabin. These little changes didn't affect performance, but they're details that show how the Chevelle was evolving, even while staying true to its muscle roots. Today, the 1968 Chevelle SS is one of the most sought-after classic American muscle cars. Collectors and enthusiasts alike value its combination of bold design, massive performance, and historical importance. Original, numbers-matching examples, especially those with the L78 engine, can fetch six figures at auction. Restomod versions are also wildly popular, with modern suspension, brakes, and drivetrains hidden under that classic Chevelle shape. Driving a 1968 Chevelle SS today is an experience like no other. You don't just turn the key, you wake the beast. The engine shakes the whole car, the throttle is heavy, and the steering gives you direct feedback. There's no traction control, no stability assist, and no digital nanny to save you. It's just you, the car, and the road, the way driving was meant to be. For many, the Chevelle SS represents the high point of American muscle before emissions regulations and fuel crises began to chip away at the performance era. It was one of the last cars built without compromise, offering pure horsepower and raw driving excitement. It didn't apologize for being loud, fast, and in your face. It celebrated it, and in 2026, that spirit still lives on. You'll see Chevelles at car meets, cruising the coastlines, or tearing down backroads with modern version 8S swapped in and suspension dialed for today's standards. But whether it's original or modified, the Chevelle SS always gets respect. It has the presence, the performance, and the legacy to back it up. Thanks for riding along with Car Show 1 as we relive the legend of the 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. If this classic muscle monster brought back memories or sparked new admiration, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more legendary rides. Until next time, keep the throttle open and the spirit of muscle alive.